Today I'm taking a look at the Acer Chromebook 15 CB515-1HT. It's a 15.6 inch Chromebook, and it has a full HD screen, and it's a touch screen, and it has a backlit keyboard. Those are some of the features that attracted me to this computer. I'm going to unbox it right now. First thing we have is a little sheet if you're having issues with your computer. Then let's see what we have in this little box right here. It's the power adapter. There's some information on the bottom, whatever this is. Little setup guide and limited warranty agreement. Wow. Bigger than I thought it would be. 15.6 inches. I heard something. There it is. Welcome. Set up my Wi-Fi here. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything up, and then I'm going to give a review on what I think of the computer. So stay tuned, and I'll be back in a little bit. Hey, so I spent about a day with this Chromebook 15 CB515-1HT, and I just wanted to give my impressions on what I'm thinking about it so far. So far, I really like this computer. Of course, I'm coming from a MacBook Air, which is only 13 inches and is from like 2012. So to have this size now and the speed difference is a big upgrade for me. I really like the full HD 15.6 inch screen. It's so much bigger than what I'm used to, and it's full HD, so it's really clear. The battery life on this thing is incredible. At one point it said I had 13 hours remaining. Right now I just charged, okay, see right now it says I have 14 hours left. I just charged it, I just finished charging it 100%. I mean, of course I'm not really doing anything right now, but it's just incredible battery life. The backlit keyboard is really nice. I was able to use it last night in the dark, and I could see the keyboard crystal clear. The speakers are super loud, I mean, and they're really clear too. I was surprised at that because it's kind of a lower budget computer, so to have loud speakers is a nice bonus, especially when you're watching movies and stuff. The price is actually really good on this thing. I paid $300, but I looked online and I saw that you can get them refurbished for like $230. So to have all this stuff in a package that's like $300 or less is a really good deal. It has lots of ports. It has 2 USB ports, and it has 2 USB Type-C ports, and it has a headphone jack. So you're pretty much covered no matter what you need to hook up to this thing. It has a camera, but I never really use that. And it has a touch screen too, but I don't really use that too much. It's just a cool thing to have in case, you know, some games and stuff are more fun with touchscreen, but I haven't really been using it too much. All right, now let me talk about the things I don't like about it. And there's not a lot, but I still want to bring them up. So the processor is kind of slow. It's an Intel Celeron processor. But if you just want to use this thing for playing some basic games or watching movies or TV shows or just going on the web and stuff, you should be fine. Just don't expect to do too much stuff on it. I mean, you're limited with the Chromebook anyway. You can only get so many apps for it, you know? You can't like download a lot of heavy applications that'll let you edit movies and do other things. It's really basic stuff. The other thing I don't like about it is it only comes with 32 gigabytes of storage, which really isn't a lot if you want to like put movies on it, but it does have a micro SD slot in case you want to put some extra storage on it. I was thinking of buying a 128 gigabyte micro SD drive. It's only like 20 bucks. So for 20 bucks, I could quadruple the storage on this thing and throw some extra movies on and stuff for when I want to go on the road and the kids want to watch a movie. And the other thing I don't like about it is it's kind of heavy, but I mean, what do you expect with a 15.6 inch laptop computer. It's going to be a little bit heavy. That's all I got for you on this Acer 15 CB515-1HT laptop computer. It's pretty awesome Chromebook. Check it out if you're in the market, if you want something with a big screen, full HD 1080 picture. It's definitely worth picking up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and have a good day.